Hello everyone, Hashim Ashraf from Max Real Estate. Today we are at the presentation center for Capitol Residences at Madison Group. This is a 14-floor boutique condominium which has got 145 units and 108 different floor plans, which is unique feature of this building. Muzammil, can you please talk about some of the features of this building?
So one of the main features of this building is the penthouse on the 13th and 14th floor. They're special penthouses with 360 view. And then right on the west side of the building, there's Orange Hall, which is a heritage site, which means on the west, there's no view that is blocked.
And this is a historical site. It's a Capitol Residences here, and the builder is going to preserve the architecture which is there already, and which has got a huge balconies. And on the 10th floor, there is a big park is also planned on the rooftop. If you want to get a unit, we have exclusive access. You can give me a call at 289-772-6202.
Or give me a call at 647-539-3674.
Thank you so much.